Alright, what's up guys, and welcome back to another video. Today we are in Sonic Speed Simulator, and I'm going to give you guys some tips and tricks on how to actually get better at the game, and also to just get better at things in the game, because there are a lot of things that you can be good at in this game, and there are a lot of things that you might not be so good at. So today, I'm going to show you how to get good at a bunch of stuff in Sonic Speed Simulator. So if you like the video, then like and subscribe, and I will show you guys what to do. So first off, we're gonna start off with just stats on your account. So to get lots of stats and to get a really high level, what you're gonna want to do is you're gonna want to have really good pets, and the best pets in the game are 6-star fast friends. Now some 6-star fast friends are better than others, but they're all good, and to get really good 6-star fast friends, you're gonna have really good chow, because they carry off of your 6-star fast friends. So now you can get good chow by buying some chow that are on sale, or buying some from the vending machines, or doing events to get chow. And that's done, and then we can just get those, and then we'll have the best pets in the game. And I have a video on how to make a 6-star fast friend, so I'm gonna leave a link in the description, that way you guys can check out that video if you want to figure out how to make one. But the next thing is events and weekly updates. So events come almost every single week, and there's some are harder than others, but if you want to do them fast, you're gonna want get these things called an event stat, and this increases your chance. It makes you do events faster. So if I equip this fast friend and then do an event, for example, the event is kill 10 Batniks, I equip this fast friend as plus 10 event. Well, now when I kill one Batnik, it'll mark it as if it'll say you killed 2 Batniks instead of 1, and then if I have a bunch of them, like all of these, it'll say I killed 5 Batniks instead of the one that I actually killed, and so on and so forth, which actually makes this a lot better. And for skins can also have event bonuses too, and we're gonna want to get skins to level 6 by auto running on a hoverboard, and I'll leave a link to that video in the description on how to get 6-star skins fast. But all you want to do is auto run on a hoverboard, or you could fuse some of your 6-star fast friends to get it to level 6 faster, but I wouldn't recommend doing that because you don't want to lose them. So now we're going to move on to the season pass. Now every month there is a new season, and all you have to do for these seasons is complete challenges and there are easy challenges that spawn in every hour, normal challenges that spawn in every 5 hours, and hard challenges that spawn in every 12 hours. You can use Robux to make them go faster. So you're just gonna grind those for a long time until you get the season pass. They are usually around 30 levels, and it usually lasts for around like a month. So yeah, you're gonna definitely want to do that. And now, to get a bunch of skins, what you're gonna want to have to do is you're gonna want to have a thing called an alt account, because on alt accounts what you're gonna do is like I've done this event on my main account, so I'm gonna get out on my alt account later and do that event again. And why? That way I can trade the Chrome Metal Sonic skin to my main account, and then I can probably trade the Chrome Metal Sonic skin to someone who doesn't have it for a skin that I might not have. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna want to get on alt accounts and do events for rare skins that some people might not have, and then multiple times. That way you can then trade them those skins for skins that you don't actually have, which makes you get more skins and then get the skin that they want. So that's another strategy you can do to get more skins, or you can just do the events. And if you don't care about collecting skins, then you don't really have to listen to this portion of the video. And as for your trails, you're just going to want to fuse all of them, and for mounts, you're just going to want to do the events for mounts, and you cannot trade any mounts. So yeah. And now I'll show you guys the other things you can be good at. So how to get your red star ring count high. Now mine's not pretty high, considering I've had like 90k at one point, but this is important because 6-star fast friends cost a lot of red rings, and so do 6-star characters. Making a 6-star character just by doing steps takes around 7,500 red rings, and making a 6-star fast friend can take 10 to 20,000 red rings just for one. So you're going to make sure you want to have red rings prepared. So what you're going to do is you're going to want to have more than one copy of a skin. Like right here, I have a 9 skin, and if someone wants this 9 skin, I can trade it to them for some red rings. That way, then later I can use those red rings to make a 6-star fast friend, and then I can make more of them. And you're just going to keep on doing that by selling skins that you want to give to people for red rings. So now that we're done with that, let's look at races. So races, you just want to really get your best time and try and beat everyone and get all the skins in the race shop. And to get more race tickets, you have to win the race. So that's pretty simple. But besides that, that's pretty much all the tips and tricks I have for Sonic Speed Simulator. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and goodbye. And subscribe to the channel, and check the description out if you want to learn how to make 6-star fast friends fast and to get 6-star skins fast. And anyway, that's it for today's video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.